Actually, guys, hydrogen is a what? Metal or non-metal? Hydrogen is a what? Metal or non-metal?
Non-metal.
Non-metal.
Basically, non-metals what? They will receive electron or they will donate electron.
Sir, receive electron.
Correct. But
Receive
hydrogen is special. Hydrogen, instead of receiving electron, it will lose its one electron also, and it will turns into completely positive. Do you understand, Padmavasini? That is the reason. Understanding most of the cases, 99% cases, hydrogen, even though it is a non-metal, it won't. It is not ready to accept the electron. It is always lose the electron, and it will turns into positive charge. That is the reason hydrogen is mentioned in metal activity series. Do you remember why we should mention in metal activity series? Do you understand, Emma? Yes or no, guys? That is the reason why it has been mentioned in metal activity series. Because even though it is a non-metal, it don't likes to gain the electron. Understanding? It will lose the electron instead of gaining. Is it okay, Padmavarshini? So that is the reason. So whatever the electron donated by metal, it won't accept because it won't like. It won't like to take the electrons. It is, even though one electron it is having, it is ready to donate that only. That is why metals do not react generally with the hydrogen. Are you clear, everybody? Respond me, Yalni.
Yes, sir.
Because metals will never accept electrons. What is the property of metals? Always metals will form only compounds by what? By losing electrons. Do you understand?
losing electrons.
But if you take hydrogen, hydrogen will form the compounds by losing electrons and as well as by sharing electrons. What is that? By losing electrons and or we can say by sharing electrons. Do you understand,
Sharing
guys? Please
electrons.
respond me. We will study next
Yes,
type of compounds. So hydrogen will form, but metals will form what, guys? Metals will form only with
They
the
will lose electrons, sir.
Only losing electrons.
by losing electrons or by sharing electrons. Gaining very, very rarely. So normally, remember, normally hydrogen atom does not accept the electrons given by the metals to form what? To form a compound. What is the trap? To form a compound. That is the reason. Understand, Tarni? I hope you understand. That is the reason we can say generally metals do not react with the hydrogen gas. But very few reactive metals, very, 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 very few. Very rarely we can count on the fingers, like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Only four. Only four. How many? Sodium, calcium, first potassium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium. This is the only metals can force the hydrogen, like a understanding begging actually, like forcefully they will donate the electron to the hydrogen. Understand, guys? Do you understand what I am saying? Suppose you are not eating, your mother will forcefully, she will feed you. Yes or no, Anusri? Arya? The same way, these metals forcefully, even though hydrogen is not ready to accept, these very few highly reactive metals, what we should call this one, guys? What we should call? Highly reactive metals, very reactive metals. These one forcefully they will donate the electron to the hydrogen. That is why they will form compounds. Remaining metals cannot. Very reactive metals forcefully, everybody should write, can force the hydrogen atom, to lose the electron or donate the electron, to receive the electron. Hydrogen atom to receive electrons. Do you understand, guys? Very typical concept this is. Yes or no? To receive electrons. Yes, guys? Please respond me. Karthikeyan mainly. Are you understand, Karthikeyan? Respond me, da.
Sir, sir.
Yeah, clear? That is why you can see hydrogen we will study both H plus and as well as what? H minus. Will receive electron H minus. Will donate electron H plus. Okay, guys? But this is by loss electrons. This is by gain electrons. Is it okay?
Gain electrons.
This is very
Yes, sir.
rarely only will happen. Rarely will happen. This is only 90% will happen. That is why it is mentioned in metal activity series, even though it is a non-metal. Okay, guys? Understand that? And they can force the
Yes, sir.
hydrogen atom to receive electrons. To receive electrons. Understanding? Means to receive in the sense of what? Accept electrons, and they will form salt-like compounds. What we should call? They will form which compounds, guys? Salt-like compounds. Salt-like compounds called as metal hydrides. Everybody important. 99% children don't know this. What we should call? Metal hydrides. Okay, guys? Metal hydride. See, even this much time I am saying, maybe one or two maybe not understand. If you not really understand, please let me know. Once again I'll explain. Very, very important. How many of you understand this really? Really, are you people
Yes,
understand?
sir. I could understand, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is, if you all understand only, I will be. Okay. Now, metal hydrides. What is the products will come? Metal plus hydrogen will react. Metal hydrides. Okay, guys. So now, what is the compounds will react with the hydrogen? Only most of the
Potassium, sodium,
Potassium, sodium, calcium,
do
magnesium.
not react, do
Also
not
magnesium.
combine with the hydrogen. Very
Sir,
few.
now the hydrogen get receive the electron, sir.
This is also very forcefully. That is also done by only 4 metals. Remaining metals you cannot understand, Karthikeya.
Okay.
That is very rarely only I am saying. Understand? So most of the metals do not combine with the hydrogen. What is that, guys? Most of the metals do not combine. Do not combine with what, guys? Do not combine with the hydrogen. That is what we are saying. So only few reactive metals. What is that? Sodium, calcium, and what? Potassium and magnesium. Totally 4 only. Calcium, potassium, sodium. Next one is what? Calcium and
calcium, magnesium.
magnesium. And don't say aluminum, zinc also. They also cannot form. Understand, guys? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Zinc, copper also they cannot form.
Okay, sir.
That is the reason. So we cannot. So now, let us see. In this case alone, metal hydrides are ionic compounds. All of you should remember. Next, we will study types of compound. So here, hydrogen is not sharing the electrons. What is happening? Hydrogen is receives the electrons. Yes or no, guys?
Receive electron.
That is the
Yes,
reason.
sir.
Use the electrons. That is why these metal hydrides are called as ionic compounds. What we should call it? Ionic compounds. Understanding, guys? Please respond me. Ionic compounds, because by exchanging electrons it is forming. So let us go with the reaction of potassium. Everybody, reaction of potassium, what will happen? Potassium plus hydrogen will form. What it will form, Ra? KH, potassium hydride. What will form?
Potassium.
Hydride.
Potassium hydride.
So potassium is in solid.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen is in H2 amma, gaseous state. Hydrogen is in gaseous state, will form 2KH, which is in solid state. Is it okay, guys? Next, sodium, anybody? Na plus H2 gas. Respond here. What is this? NaH, sodium
NaH.
hydride. So this is also 2NaH. Now calcium, everybody. Calcium fastly. Huh?
Calcium plus H2 will do calcium hydrate.
Cl plus
CaH2 will give you what?
CaH2, sir.
CaH2.
Why, guys?
CaH2.
Ca2 plus and H plus H minus 1. Okay, Ra? First, very rarely we will write H minus 1. So I hope you understand everybody clearly. So Ca. Okay, da? So this is also salt. So what is the state of ionic hydrides? What is the state of ionic hydrides or metal hydrides?
Solid, solid, solid.
Solid.
That is. So this is called as what we should call metal hydrides, or we can say what? Ionic hydrides. Understanding? Because they are ionic compounds. What we should call? Ionic hydrides. So ionic hydrides we can say. So what is ionic compounds? By this time you may understand. By exchanging electrons. Understanding? By exchanging electrons, compounds will form. That is called as ionic compounds. Understand, guys? Please respond me. Nobody will
Yes,
answer.
sir.
That is what you have
Yes, sir.
to remember. So next, magnesium. Magnesium what? Mg, Mgs plus and hydrogen gas, which will form what, guys?
MgH2, sir.
So this is also solid state. So 2Mg will come. So here also how many it is reacting? Mg2 plus, and how many hydrogens are reacting? 2 hydrogens are
Why, sir, 2Mg is needed?
because 2 hydrogens are sharing, because 1 hydrogen, 1 electron.
Sir, then reactant side also 2H2 is there, no, sir?
H2, that is what I am saying, Amma. 2H means 2 hydrogens are sharing. It is a diatomic molecule, correct? While I am writing, I am saying that. Do you understand it? Suppose if I'll take calcium hydride means it contains what? 1 calcium ion and 2 hydrogen ions. Do you understand, Padmarshini? That is the meaning of it.
Sir.
If you take magnesium hydride, 1 magnesium ion, and how many hydrogen ions, guys? 2 hydrogen ions.
Hydrogen ion.
So if you take sodium hydride, how many? 1 sodium ion and 1 hydrogen ion. That is what I am saying. Is it okay, Amma? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Please respond me. That is so. That is what about understanding reaction of metals with a hydrogen. So you can see here they are actually, if you go less reactive metals, like comparatively these metals next all remaining zinc, if you take copper, iron, this all actually iron after only hydrogen will come in the metal activity series. Yes or no? But still
Yes, sir.
they cannot force the hydrogen to accept the electron, and they will never form metal hydrides. That is why comparatively these metals, iron, zinc, understanding copper, etc., they are less reactive. So that is why they will never react with what, guys? They will never react with a hydrogen to form hydrides. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me.
Sir, I can't
Okay, sir.
understand the ionic compound, sir.
Ionic compounds means, Karthikeyan, the compounds which will form by exchanging electrons. Okay, wow? Not atoms. Ions will exchange. We should call it as ionic compounds. Okay, wow? By donating and receiving electrons, it is called as ionic compounds. Anyhow, once again we'll study types of compounds. By the time you understand. No worry. Okay. Understand, Karthikeyan? Any compound will form by exchanging electron is called as ionic compound. Understand, guys? Once again we'll study. Don't worry. Okay. So zinc, copper, and iron. What we should call, Ra? Zinc, copper, and iron. What we should call? They do not react. They do not react with hydrogen to form what, Ra? With the hydrogen to form.
Ionic compound.
To form hydrides. Form hydrides. That is your remember. Okay. Any doubt, anybody? You can ask. Yes or no? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Clearly.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. I hope all are understand. Today from first almost everybody 16 members are there. Remaining 5 plus 6 plus 4, 9 members absent today. Okay. Today Varshini Bensi absent, Bhumika absent. What is the names? Can you able to say? Bhumika, Varshini Bensi, Jessie, Pranita, Deena. Next, Akhil, are you understand?
Ashika.
Huh?
Ashika.
Ashika, yes. Killer fun, are you understand this one? Are you clear with the hydrogen and all? So this is all totally how many properties, Ra? Metal chemical properties, how many? Kevin? Reaction with oxygen.
Sir,
Reaction
hydrides are hydrates, sir.
hydrides. Sodium hydride. Calcium hydride. Magnesium hydride. Understanding? Potassium hydride.
Calcium hydride.
Drides we can say. Okay. So Understand, Karthikeyan? So totally how many chemical properties of metals? 6 chemical properties.
Six.
Tharani, first one is what? Reaction with oxygen. Second one is what? Reaction with the water. Third one is what? Reaction with the reaction with the
Dilute acid.
dilute acid.
Dilute acid.
Dilute acid. Fourth one, reaction with the
Fourth one, reaction with salt solution.
fifth one, reaction with the
100
chlorine.
plus chlorine.
Chlorine.
Chlorine, sir.
Fifth one, reaction with what?
Hydrogen.
The hydrogen. So this is all about it. So now, if you understand this one, this is all about the reactivity, understanding chemical reactivity of metals. Now, if you'll go next one, we will start in the next class. That is, what is that next one? Chemical properties of Humaira. Are you understand Humaira? Chemical properties of what are next one? Non-metals. What is that? Chemical properties of non-metals. So we will study reaction of non-metals with what, guys? First one, reaction of non-metals with the oxygen. Next, reaction of non-metals with the water.
Water.
Of non-metals with the dilute acid. Reaction of
Dilute acid.
non-metals with the salt solution. Reaction of non-metals with the chlorine. Last one, reaction of non-metals with the hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Actually, metals and non-metal chemical properties of non-metals, hardly by tomorrow itself we will finish it, because reaction of non-metals with water, zero, no reaction. Understanding, Ram? Like that, so many places it is no reaction will come. So that is why we people can finish very, very easily. Do you understand, Ram? And this is all about it. We will study what is the chemical properties, difference between them, and etc. etc. That is all the things we will study in the next class. So later we will directly go for uses of metals and non-metals. So uses of metals and non-metals over means half of the chapter over. Next half of the chapter over means next what is there, guys? How do metals and non-metals react? That is what we are going to study. That is very, very important. That is what only formation of positive and negative ions. So formation of positive ions, you people know it. Yes or no? Positive ions is called as what? Positive ions is called as cations. Cations. And negative ions is called as
Anions.
anions. So that is the most important thing. 99% cases before end of this month, we people will going to complete this, because later it won't be possible. So that is why. So let us see what is going to happen. Understand, Ra? So with this, I will stop the today's class. I hope you all understand very well. Any doubt, anybody, you can ask me. This is hydrogen is very, very important property, guys. If you have any doubt, kindly ask me. Any doubt in that, that's all. So if you don't have any doubt, then all of you prepare well. Then I'm going to stop the today's class. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ra.